All right. Well, hello, AP Stats. Welcome to week 2 of AP Review. I wanted to make just a short video for you guys explaining some of the things that are going on this week, as well as kind of our plan for the upcoming weeks. So you should now on Schoology be able to see the week 2 AP Review folder, where I now have your next two free response questions to practice, as well as the next section of AP questions that I have selected, which are all related to study design. I've also been able to upload the review key for that study design, and I've gone back to week 1 and uploaded the key for describing data, the AP review key there as well. Just a couple notes, guys, especially about those ones that are on the AP website. These are really good practice problems to help you, especially with the way the test is formatted this year. Now, if it was a traditional test, these questions, would just be some good practice ones, but these actually get you a really good feel for how the AP test is going to work this year, kind of how the problem is going to look, how you're going to work through it, how you're going to upload your answer, and all of that. Now, here's the flip side of that, is I've only had 2 people work through them so far. So those 2 people have gotten their AP scores back for those 2 questions that they worked through. I should now also have these next 2 unlocked for you to start working on. They should have been unlocked at noon today. They will only be unlocked until next Monday at midnight. So you've got 1 week to work through them, and that's just because I'm supposed to, as an AP instructor, preserve the integrity of the questions that they allow us to use. So they won't be open for more than a week. Now, that being said, if you did want to still go back, work through that Unit 1 progress or Unit 2 progress check, either of those free response questions, you need to send an email to me, let me know, and I'll have those unlocked for you on Friday. They'll only be unlocked for that one day. It'll be from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Friday, and that'll give you a chance to work through those 2 problems as well and still get the feedback on those. So, if you're keeping up with class, stuff is going to be unlocked for you kind of already. It's only going to be up to you to email me if you need something unlocked from a previous week. That being said, guys, a couple things that I'm working on my end. Obviously, you can see 17 ungraded assignments that I'm going to be working through, including your take-home test that I'll be getting back to you. Guys, I only had 5 people turn in the take-home test, and that's out of 10 people who should be turning it in who are planning to take the AP exam. So if you've not already turned that in, get that into me ASAP. That way I can get those graded and back to you, and that way you can know kind of how you did with the material from Unit 11. That being said, guys, have a good week. If you guys have any questions or need anything, make sure and let me know. Office hours are still 10:30 to 11:30 every morning. If you don't have a chance to get to office hours but still have a question, feel free to email me. I can always work through a problem, make a video for it, and then upload it, and that way you can kind of have a walk-through solution for maybe something that you are currently working on. That being said, again, if you guys need anything, feel free to email me. Have a good week, and I'll make another one of these videos for next week, kind of outlining what our plans are for them. So.